Hello everyone, this is Ritesh and today we are going to create a strategy game just like this one. This is a video sensing Snowman game. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. After we open a new project, first let's add our characters, Snowman and Snowflake. And Snowflake. So let's start doing the code for the snowman. When rain flood is get, show and switch background to backdrop 1. Then switch costume to snowman. Then after that we add a new block, video sensing, turn on video. Then we go to motion, set rotation style right left. Left right. Then we take a forever block and a if-then block. Then we go to operators and then we take a greater than symbol. If video motion on sprite is greater than 20, pointing direction video direction on sprite. Then move 10 steps. Next costume. Yeah, and before adding that block we have to create the costume. We could make it like his walkie. I think that will be fine. Now we go to next costume. Then we go to motion. If on edge bonds. Now we create a timer. When green flag is lit, make a new variable, name it timer. Set timer to 30 seconds. Then we take a forever block and wait 1 second. Then change timer by -1. Yeah, now we will start coding for the snowflake. When green flag is lit, show and set scroll to 0. Before adding this block, we have to make a new variable. Set scroll to 0. Then go to random position and set by to 180. Now we take a forever block, change y by negative 5. Then we take an if then condition and an equal to symbol. If y position is equal to negative 180, go to random position, set y to 180. Then we add another if then condition. If touching snowman, change store by 1. Then go to random position and set y to 180. Now we take another Indian flag select, a forever block, and an if condition. If store is equal to 5, if store is equal to 5, turn video off, and right now we have to create another backdrop called backdrop 2, and over there we could write you win. It's red. That would be fine. Then we go back to our snowflake and switch backdrop to blue sky 2. Then we have to broadcast a message called win. Then if you want, we could add a win sound. Play win sound until done and hide. Then stop all. Then we add when I receive win, hide. You would add this over here also. Now let's do the code for the other snowflake. In this snowflake, to change the difference, we could make it red. Yeah. That would be fine. Now we go to the code and if touching snowman, change score by negative 1. Could remove this one. Yeah. We finished this code. Now let's start doing the code for the backdrops. Backdrop. Okay. We could add another backdrop. This time we could fill it in the same blue. And right here, it's you lose. Make it red. Now let's start doing the code for the backdrop. When green flag is clicked, forever, um, forever, if the timer is equal to 0, if timer is equal to 0, then turn camera off and switch backdrop to blue sky. Switch backdrop to backdrop 2 here. Then we could add a low sound. Play low sound until done. Then broadcast a new message called loose and stop all. Now we could do the same thing for the others. Yeah, we could try it again. Now as you can see, the snowflakes are too big. We could reduce the size of it, like 60. Let's try it again. We could control it with any part of our body. Now let's try the loose one. Yeah, it works. Now, in order to hide all of these characters, we could go to here, and when I receive loose, hide. We could go for this. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Have a happy new year.